Dana Gahres, owner of Main Street Tavern, Monson. Well, I started in '94, but I had a couple bars prior. But in '94, I opened a Hamden House in Hamden, and I was there till '06. Then went up to Hamden Country Club because I wanted to start taking it easy a little bit. So my next thing was Dana's Grill Room over on Boston Road. And was there for 7 years, and then I had a chance to come up here, and we've been here since August of '18. They've had a lot of people come and go over the last 30 years. Everyone seems to have trouble maintaining it, and everybody thought I was crazy coming out here. But I fell in love with the place 25 years ago, and every 5 years I came and checked on it. And finally, when I had a chance to sell my other business, I came out here and it was available, so I figured I'd take a shot. So I used to have 4 different purveyors, and they would bring up fish, one bring up produce, one bring up paper. And I found out after Restaurant Depot opened and going over in price and quality and check that their stuff is good or better in most cases and way cheaper, because they don't have to pay for the truck driver, the delivery, the salesperson, the warehouse picker. I become that job. So every day I go and I get everything fresh, and I buy it while we need it, and then I go the next day. So my day starts early, and I go do that, and I bring it up. We don't open till 4, so these guys come in a little later, and then they gotta prepare everything. So they gotta chop all the vegetables, they gotta do all the stuff, we gotta make the pasta, gotta make the dough, so they have a good 4 hours most every day just to get started. Yeah, we do our own homemade potato chips with a gorgonzola dipping sauce. We cut all our fries, and we sell 100 pounds of potatoes a day just in fries and chips. So we got to cut all those and get those ready. Well, they do. Our head chef has been with me 25 years. He's been in his whole life, but 25 years ago he started with us on the grill, became our head chef over at the Hamden House. So then when we went everywhere, he stayed our head chef. And Brian joined us at the grill room, and he's our sous chef. So they form a good team. They're both very, very talented, and we're lucky to have them. I would say our big sellers are all the appetizers. Pasta is #1, a lot of burgers and a lot of pizza, because we handcraft our burgers. They're not frozen. Everything we do is fresh. So we make our bread, our doughs, our pastas, everything. We try to refresh it every few months and add and take away and change the format. We do shrimp and grits, Thai shrimp dinner. There's a dish called poutine. We do a ahi tuna. We smoke our wings before we throw them in a fryer later. We have a large section of homemade pasta with sauces, and then we do our own pizza every day. So we make the dough every day so it's fresh. And so this whole protein part of our menu, where you pick a protein, a sauce, aside. We had designated specific things for them before. Now we're letting you decide what you want to eat and how you want to eat. Just some different things that aren't found elsewhere. We're only closed Monday. We open every other day at 4 for takeout, in-house dining. And Sunday, because football's back, we're open at 1 o'clock so we can get the first game in. The perfect compliment we received here, other than thanks, everything was great, the server was great, or the food was great, or whatever, was someone said, you know what, I just want to tell you, this is exactly what a Main Street Tavern should be. And I said, you know, that's the nicest thing I've heard from anyone here, because that's what we tried to be. We tried to be friendly and fun and with quality food and quality service. And I think we achieved that so far.